Hi, welcome to Crew News. We will get you our company developing news. I'm BTS Okumar. These are the headlines. Our mechanical team is honored at Jachigoda IPP site. Our E&D team has improved the reliability of machines through their best modifications at JSW Paradeep site. Our AHP team has been successful in undertaking modification tasks at the TSPL site. Let's see the news details.
A mechanical team is honored for finding a solution to the challenging problem we have been facing for a long time at JSD IPP site. In our IPP site, operation got affected totally due to the huge wastage of time while bunkering due to the fault in slew of SCRB with an abnormal sound. This fault also led to huge wastage of manpower. Demurrage, the system start or stop was done frequently and the reliability of system was questionable. A mechanical team examined the above mentioned problems through slew operation and tried to find a solution for the same. While doing such examination, they found the depreciation on slew bearing. Further, they explained the repairs going to happen due to the depreciation on slew bearing and the importance of slew bearing to client and decided to replace with a new bearing. After that, a mechanical team had prepared the bar chart for the replacement of bearing and submitted the same to our client. Our client thoroughly studied and then gave acceptance to execute the replacement work. A mechanical team prepared to do the replacement work through perfect planning and the guidance of our high officials, Mr. K. Ravi and Mr. R. Ilavarasan, and successfully replaced the new slew bearing by following all the safety measures such as boom resting support, counterweight locking, and packing plate support near slew area without any safety violation. This effective replacement lead to avoid the wastage of manpower, system stop-start, demurrage totally, and also the reliability of system got increased. Mr. Matosh Sinha, plant head of Miss Vedanta, conveyed his appreciations to our mechanical team with a certificate of appreciation. Continuing that, our high officials, Mr. K. Ravi and Mr. R. Ilavarasan, also highly appreciated our team's involvement. Our E&I team has improved the reliability of machines through the best modifications and got certificate of appreciation at JSW PDP site. The various best modifications for which our E&I team got certification of appreciation are given below. Occasional repairs occurred in the cooling fans fixed on Vibro feeder 1 to 6. Our E&I team had found this out and conveyed to client and got approval along with spare parts. After that, with the support of our mechanical team, new frame was replaced by our E&I team through which the repairs in cooling fans are avoided. If heavy feed rate occurred while feeding the materials to ships through ship loaders, boom conveyor might got excessive load which could lead to damage on machineries. Our E&I team had found this out and conveyed to client and got approval along with spare parts. After that, our team modified the Luft cylinder to sense the hydraulic pressure and to stop the GLT conveyor with an alarm. Twin wagon tipplers operation mode selection is being modified through PLC logic. Twin wagon tippler clamping is not function for above 15 degree. Buzzer is fixed to give alarm. Our team has made a modification in twin wagon tippler by installing one more angle encoder as parallel to operate the same if the earlier angle encoder got repaired. For performing the above task excellently on time in a safe manner, Mr. K. Kanagaraj, Deputy Manager E&I of Miss JSW, honored our E&I team with a certificate of appreciation in front of Mr. Sandeep Mishra, GM O&M of Miss JSW, and also her high officials at site convey their appreciations. Our AHP team has been successful in undertaking major modification tasks at TSPL site. In our TSPL site, it was very difficult to operate the ash conveying in manual mode, due to which the following issues were continued ugly: hopper leakage, vent line leakage, fluidifying line choke, hopper AFL plate damage. The huge level of hopper and ESP field also got triggered often. As a way of fixing it, our AHP team joined together and installed one additional boosting line in Unit 1, B1 and C1, due to which the hopper and vent line leakages, fluidifying line choke and hopper high level problem got reduced. Apart from the above, our team has been successful in making the biggest difference at ESP area, bottom ash area, dewatering bin area and SILO area by reducing the huge wastage of manpower and environmental pollution through their major modification.
These are the developed news from Crew. Subscribe YouTube channel Crew Media. Thanks for watching.